Hi, I'm Hank. I paraglide in the living and push cars to the limit. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while. I'm sorry about there were a lot of things going on, and you probably don't know, Randy, a good friend of mine, passed away. But anyways, we're back, and yeah, off camera I've been kind of doing a lot of work, so I couldn't film much, but I got things done on the buggy, and it's sitting on all fours, and there's a lot done, but there's still a lot to go, let's put it that way. It's kind of was the plan. Anyway, so far it's going good. It kind of moves, kind of doesn't. It moves freely right now. And let me tell you now, the briefing. Let's start with the front, and then let's head to the back. Then final one. Springs are still in a good shape, nothing done to it, but I'm still planning maybe after the first run to see if we can move this gap here and so on. Then moving on here, we do have the pedals from the angle line here, so we're planning on raising it up a bit here, like to come this way. And then here, we got the motorbike gauges already set up, but we're gonna cut it, raise it up even more. Not that big of a deal, still to come. We bought these for the middle section there, between the engine and the control center, to use for that up and down motion. But we had a different idea than just pop in, so we use these for the steering. Still works, and it's kind of saves money. Then if we move on to this side, we have the actual gearbox here. This is just, I was just planning, that's got a big idea over here. Then it actually does, you do go back, I mean, it has no reverse. So you go first, second. I'm not going to move it now because it's still a bit loose, but it moves. That's, I believe now, that's second. So you want it free, it's in its free position. There are all these, we want to do one of these cables, but cables were not long enough, and well, basically they didn't have this mounting over here, which is not a big deal. Then so we decided to use this bar, just welded it in place to here. Simple and easy. Now if we hop into the other side, you can see all these cables. This see here, we've already installed the brake line, but it's having some issues, so we either might replace it, which I'm planning, because I'll get to wire it's leaking, but get to why it's leaking when you move to the engine. And let's shoot another montage. But I'm told this feeling cannot be controlled. Watch the stars when I am gone. And with that, let's move to the engine.
Have faith in me, we will behold the skies of gas, they are foretold. Watch the stars when I'm gone.
So now, what is the exact problem with the Buggy? Well, we got those brakes from a, I think it was a used go-kart somewhere. We bought it from the go-kart place, including the shaft as well. And the issue is we pumped already brake fluid in, and it's just leaking out somewhere around this disc. It's leaking from the caliper to somewhere around this disc. So we might have to get new caliper. Hopefully we don't have to get a new system. That's over there. I mean, which is another budget issue. What else? There's quite a lot of things done. So we've welded the whole caliper here. What else is there? The chain. We've cut the original bike chain and we've shortened it. It's still a bit loose. We might cut it here and shorten it, or where the other joint place was. Once we've done that, then this thing does move with the chain. It's still fine. But once we've done that, we should be good to go. To moving now to the main engine over here. Right, so with this main engine over here, there's a lot done. Okay, this engine is not meant for buggies, or it's meant for a motorbike. So you have to modify everything, including this what do you call it? This clutch pedal thing, whatever. So we've cut this pedal here. We've twisted everything around and just bolted this, which now goes linked somewhere here, and now goes straight to the gearbox, which it does, as I mentioned earlier, it does turn. Right, now we've spotted another issue, and that is where the exhaust is over here. As you see, we have one of the locks, but on the other lock it's chipped off. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's chipped off over here. Let me go around actually to get a better view. Where is it? See here, the lock nut actually chipped off, so we might take it to the engineering place. They drill it, they put a new one for the exhaust. We might keep the same exhaust, and then just for now, and then of course we're gonna straight pipe it, because I cannot deal without straight pipes. I mean straight pipe, I mean flame tune, well, not a flame tune of course, but like flames or any of that, which might be possible. Or if not, we just have a loud exhaust, and yeah, not sure the neighbors are gonna be happy, but it's okay. What else do we have to know? That's basically been it. We did install these suspensions here, and it does actually, it's very, if you look over here, it does very call it bobbing, but it does bob. It seems very cool. The only issue now would be, I just see this gearbox issue here, that if you do like this and go over jumps, you see how these the rod goes to the gearbox, it might change gears for you while it goes up and down. Other than that, there's actually I mean, it's big improvements, but there's lots to do. Oh, and I also forgot about this cage we've done. Let's see. It's pretty epic. Will it be like this? I don't know if it will stay like this, to be honest. It looks cool, but it all depends on the seats which are coming. I'm not sure if we're doing bucket seats, which looks cool but expensive now, or are we gonna do just normal car seats, which is more, it's okay. They do have their pros and cons both, in my opinion. But what else is yeah, that's basically it we've done. And shoot some more montages.
When I am
In case you're wondering why there's this blue cloth over here, it's just so that nothing gets in the carburetor or the exhaust there and damages the whole engine when I'm gonna start it, which is coming soon. What else is there to do with this buggy right now? There's quite a lot to do. We still need to fix the accelerators. We still need to do we need to do accelerators, kind of a lot. Accelerator, electricals, new steering, new paintwork. I wouldn't even say this is 50% done, but we need to install the seats. It's kind of a lot done, but we need to do. And yeah. And also the best thing, I'm sitting in the buggy right now. The best thing is you won't, because the what do you call that thing? It's like the dyno for the speed. It's always on the wheel of the motorbike. You won't know how fast you're going with the buggy. So I think we might just do a digital one, get one on the phone. That's no problem. Other than that, there's nothing I'm gonna do right now because we're out of metal. And we need to go get more springs, which now it's closed because of public holiday. But I really thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let's see if we can get to at least, I'll aim for 90. Let's see if we can get to 90 subscribers. And if not, I really appreciate it. It really makes me happy seeing all the subscribers going up and you guys really enjoying the video. But I think I might go shoot some more montages and call it a day. Also guys, I'm still planning, should I do a stick like this? You know, you could easily do it, or should we just have a low one with that knob? I had it somewhere, it should be somewhere in the storage room. Or should we have a low one where you just do it like that? This is only going to go back and forth. But choose either this one, where that wasn't even on. Sorry. Choose this one like this. Say this is shifter 1, or just shifter 2 with the knob on it. There's a black, you know how you have on gearbox, you have that knob, or that knob on it. So list it down in the comments. And if I do this one, it will be strong and won't be this rusty. This is just for visuals, so it'll be something like this and much more stable. And of course it won't be this rusty, or if you guys want it rusty, you guys tell me. I'm probably gonna fall off while you're driving. But of course we'll cut it and do the right size. But this up here will probably be later once the seats get in, which are probably coming soon. We probably need to find them. And in the comments what color you guys want to see this buggy. It's either white I was thinking, or black. And once that is, then yeah. And with that guys, I know it's super short and there's nothing much you guys done that we did today, but that was because we ran out of materials. But I'm sure in the next video we might get them. And I guess with that, thank you guys very much for watching. If you guys haven't already, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys. There's a lot done. Sorry about that. There's a lot done to the buggy. Sadly, it wasn't filmed. The interesting parts, I'm sure, weren't filmed. Don't worry, I'm sure from now on I'll film it. There was just some tough times going on, and just the weather, and there were a lot of things going on where I didn't have my GoPro with it, and there was a lot of that. But I'm sure from now on we'll go ahead and film. And with that, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.